long have you all been stuck in here? Someone left the gates open. Assume Tears. How long have you all been stuck in here? How long? Uh-oh, here comes Cajun. Hey, Cajun. Be nice. Hey, Mom, can
the dog's at?
Blue! Newt's up there.
Durbin and Blue run off. Blue!
My mom lets Stella out, but she won't let the babies out. There we go.
Come on, babies. Come on. Come on.
Open it up a little bit more.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Russ. Come on, Russ. Come on, Russ.
Russ.
Come on, Russ.
Russ.
Come on, Russ.
Russ. Russ.
Come on, Russ. Come on, Russ.
Russ.
Come on, Russ. Come on, Russ. Come on. Russ, come on. Come on, Russ. Come on, Russ. Russ, come on. Come on. Come on, Russ. Come on. Come on, Russ. Come on, Russ.
She just squeezed through the gate.
She did?
I hope I got that on camera.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
I think they might be afraid of the puppies. Stella made them go away. This will be a shorter video this time, but I'm feeding them again. Gonna have to let them out now. Finally got through the gate. Now gotta let these ones out. Come here. Come here, babies. You two should be able to
Other gate in the middle, Jared.
the middle.
The middle gate, let them out.
Oh yeah, this was open.
You're going to have to come down and let them come around. Let them follow you.
Wow, Mama, I'm surprised you was able to do that.
You're through. Go back up.
Okay, come on, back up.
Lock that gate.
Okay, come on, back up. Let's go back up. Hold on, Mama. I know you're hungry. You're hungry, Mama. I know that. You're hungry, Mama. Come on. Up. Up. Right here, Mom? Oh. I'm sorry, Mama. Catch, Mom. well, that will do it for this video, everyone. Bye. I just realized that we haven't fed the cats today, or yet, so I'm gonna do that, and then the video will be over. The next video, if you guys wanted, will be about my cats. Just know that all of these cats that I'm gonna mention are being treated very well, and with a lot of love. One of them I treat the best, but I already treated him like that before. Hey, Paws, you hungry? Come on, Paws. Are you hungry, buddy? Where's the gray cat? There you go, Paws. Where's the gray cat? Is the gray cat somewhere over here? We named him Paws because his feet are white and his entire body is black. Bye, Paws. Have a good day. Actually, I'm gonna get him another scoop. Just from the kindness of my heart. From the kindness of my heart, I'm gonna get him more food. That is old. One more? One more, Paws? There you go. Where's the white cat? Oh, there's the gray or white cat. Hi. Hi there. What are you doing? Oh, I scared him. Hi. Hi there. Hi. Come on, Blue. I can't believe it. I got both of the cats on video. Let's go! Yeah, next video, if you guys want it, tell me in the comments if you want it or not. I'll do a video covering my cats next. Bye. Bye. Durbin. Durbin. Blue, Durbin, out. Come on. Out. Okay, this is the real end of the video. Actually, no, hold on. I'm gonna show y'all one more thing before I go. This Sadie?
This is April.
This is April, okay. Yeah. I was able to get this for the other video because my mom wanted me to.
I'm gonna edit that out.
No.